Padlo celkom 5 výstrelov.
Slovak Prime Minister Robert Fico was shot and critically injured in a shooting in the town of Handlova in Slovakia on May 15th. Fico was shot in the stomach and also had injuries to his arms and legs, and is in a life-threatening condition. Fico's Facebook page was updated with the news that the Prime Minister is being transported by helicopter to Banska Bystrica due to the seriousness of his injuries, and that the next few hours will be decisive. A 71-year-old man is reportedly suspected of carrying out what Slovak media refers to as an assassination attempt and has been detained. International leaders immediately reacted to the news and offered their support to Fico and Slovakia. President Volodymyr Zelensky said Fico's shooting was appalling and added that, "We strongly condemn this act of violence against our neighboring partner states' head of government." Elected in September 2023 on a populist Ukraine skeptic platform, Fico halted arms supplies from Slovakia's military stocks and has repeatedly criticized both defense assistance for Ukraine and sanctions against Russia. Well, who would tell? Looks like Slovak PM Robert Fico's reported assailant, writer Juraj Sintula, was associated with pro-Russian paramilitary group Slovenskí branci. Their leader was even trained by Russian ex-Spetsnaz soldiers. Video of the first interrogation of the man who shot Fico 5 times. The writer Juraj Sintula, who shot Slovak Prime Minister Fico, said he did it because he disagreed with the government's policies. In Russia, a large chemical plant caught fire. In Novocheboksarsk, Chuvashia region in Russia, a big fire broke out at the Kimprom plant. This chemical industry plant is among the biggest in Russia, producing over 200 products. The 47th Mechanized showed how FPV drones, artillery, and an M2A2 Bradley IFV worked together. The drone stopped the enemy armored vehicles, eliminating several occupants, including the driver, and igniting the armored vehicle. The legendary Bradley and the artillery of our brigade finished off the Russians who managed to survive, the brigade adds. GUR head Budanov said that although Russians had the intention to enter Sumy region, they abandoned the plan due to difficulties in the Kharkiv region.
З самого початку планували операцію так само
Friends fighting in northern Kharkiv shared this amazing footage, but wished to stay anonymous. Against the bigger enemy, from a city that has endured nothing but Russian hate for years, our soldiers stay a professional and moral force. The captured Russians are at the end. May God help Ukrainian troops. Russians use the Chinese golf carts to supply ammo and weapons to their forward units in Kharkiv. Ukrainians are trying to destroy those in priority. It's incredible that there are still no sanctions against the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.